Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake from paneer. First, ensure your paneer is well drained. About 250 grams is ideal. Crumble it into small pieces, then blend it until it's completely smooth and creamy. This step is crucial for achieving that classic cheesecake consistency. You want absolutely no lumps, so take your time here. A food processor works best for this, creating a perfect base for your delicious dessert. Next, let's prepare the crust. Mix about 150 grams of crushed digestive biscuits with 50 grams of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. For the filling, combine your smooth paneer paste with 100 grams of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until it's well combined and looks light and airy. This forms the rich, creamy body of your cheesecake. Now, carefully pour your cheesecake filling over the biscuit crust in the springform pan. Gently tap the pan a few times to release any air bubbles. Bake your cheesecake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center might still have a slight wobble. Once baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before refrigerating it for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Once your cheesecake is perfectly chilled, you can garnish it with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, or even a simple fruit compote, work wonderfully. Slice it up and enjoy your delicious, homemade paneer cheesecake. It's a unique twist on a classic dessert that's sure to impress. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals on smart speakers and other great products to enhance your home experience. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.